Class 8 rational numbers between two rational numbers. Exercise 2.3. So first one, between 2 and 3. Between 2 and 3. So if I draw a line, so here 1, here 2, here 3. So rational numbers are here. So we'll get some numbers between 2 and 3. So here we show, suppose here 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, 2.8 and 2.9. These are the decimal numbers comes in between 2 and 3. So 2.1 we can write as 21 by 10, 22 by 10, 23 by 10, 24 by 10, 25 by 10, 26 by 10, 27 by 10, 28 by 10, 29 by 10. So these are the rational numbers lie between 2 and 3. And what are the rational numbers in between 2 and 3? If 1, 21 by 10, 2, 22 by 10. So we have 9 rational numbers between 2 and 3. So this is the trick. I have written in decimal numbers, then convert into fraction in rational numbers. So another way, suppose 2 and 3. So you see, we can write. So 2 we can write as 2 by 1, then multiply by 10 both sides, 20 by 10. That is 2. 3 we can write as 3 by 1 into 10, 10, so 30 by 10. So rational numbers between, so rational numbers between 2 and 3 are what? 21 by 10, 22 by 10, 23 by 10, 24 by 10, 25 by 10, 26 by 10, 27 by 10, 28 by 10 and 29 by 10. So these are the rational numbers lie between 2 and 3. So here I have to find one rational number, that is one rational number, but I have shown all the rational numbers between 2 and 3. Now minus 1 and plus 1. Next, between minus 1 and plus 1. Let's see. So between number 2, between minus 1 and plus 1. So similarly, draw a line for showing, here suppose 0. So this is minus 1, this is plus 1. So we have so many numbers in between. But we will write, so minus 1 write as, we can write as, yes. So minus 1 as, so minus 1 as minus 1 by 1, so multiply by 10. So here minus 10 by 10. And plus 1 as 1 by 1 multiply by 10 both sides, so 10 by 10. So rational numbers between rational numbers between, so rational numbers between minus 1 and 1. So rational numbers between minus 1 and 1, you can say minus 9 by 10, minus 8 by 10, minus 7 by 10, minus 6 by 10, minus 5 by 10, minus 4 by 10, minus 3 by 10, minus 2 by 10, minus 1 by 10, then 0, 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10, you will get up to 9 by 10. So these are the rational numbers between -1 and +1. So minus 9 by 10, minus 8 by 10, minus 7 by 10, minus 6 by 10, minus 5 by 10. So these are the rational numbers lie between -1 and 1. Next we have half and 4, 1/4. So here between half and 1/4. So between half and 1/4, you say half and 1/4. So half means 0.5, you know very well, and 1/4 means half means 0.5, 1/4 means 0.25. So 0.25 to 0.50 or 0.5. So we'll get in between so many numbers. So half as, so multiply by 10. So suppose 10 or 50, suppose 50. So we'll get 50 by 100. Now 1/4 as I have taken 50, you have take different numbers, but have to be denominator have to be same. So 100 here also 100, 25, 25. So we get more rational numbers, 25 by 100. So you can see 50 by 100 and 25 by 100. So we get more rational numbers in between half and 1/4. So 26 by 100, 27 by 100, 49 by 100. So we'll get more, I think 24 rational numbers between here. So we get more and more. If you take a different denominator, if you take here make denominator 1000, you get more. 10,000 will get more. So similarly, but here I have to find only one rational numbers in the book. So, but I have found more than one, that is nearly 24. Yes, exactly 24. So 26, 27, up to 49 by 1. So these are the rational numbers lie between half and 1/4. So next we have -3 by 8, 5 by 8. So here same denominator, you can write in number lines 0, 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 4 by 8, 5 by 8. Here minus 1 by 8, 2 by 8, so 3 by 8. You can see here minus 3 by 8 here and 5 by 8 here. So in between we will get more and more numbers. Yes, clear? In number lines I am showing. So rational numbers between, we need one rational numbers. I will find more. So this is one way and another right as I have shown. So rational numbers between -3 by 8 and 5 by 8 are, so -2 by 8, minus 1 by 8, 0, 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 4 by 8, and yes, 4 by 8. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have shown 7 rational numbers. Here I have to find only one. So you can find more and more rational numbers. So another way I am showing. So minus 3 by 8 as we can write as, that is short form, right, as. So minus 3 by 8 we can write as minus 3 by 8. So both sides multiply by 10. So 30 by 80. 5 by 8 we can write as 5 by 8 into 10, 10. So 50 by 80. 50 by 80 minus 30 by 80, and here 50 by 80. So minus 29 by 80, minus 28 by 80, minus 27 by 80, dot 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 up to 49 by 80. So this is another way. So here we can easily find number like that. Idea you can take this idea, number line. Another we can write as multiply both numerator and denominator. With make a same denominator, we can find rational numbers between two numbers. So this is the two way we can find more and more rational numbers between two numbers. Answer. So 7 by 11 we can write as 7 by 11 we can write as we can write 7 by 11 as 7 by 11 both sides multiply by 100, because we need 100 rational numbers. So take more 700, here 1100. So we can write minus 5 by 11 as minus 5 by 11 into 100 both sides. So here 1100 and here 500. So 100 rational numbers. We get more than 100, but I write 100 rational numbers between 7 by 11 and minus 5 by 11 are 599 by 1100, 600 by 1100, 601 by 1100, 602 by 1100, dot 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 dot. All numbers not possible to show here. So you know, up to 698. So 599. We can write more and more number. Here almost we'll get 700 numbers, I think 700, nearly 699, so 98. So these are 599 to 699, 698, 100 rational numbers. 599, 600, 601, 602. So dot 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 698. Next we have. So this is one way. Another way we can find this same sum. Look. So we can write 7 by 11 as 7 by 11. Then multiply by 50. 350, 550. Yeah. 550, 250. So here we can minus 249 by 550, comma, minus 248 by 550, comma, minus 247 by 550, comma, minus 246 by 550, comma, minus 245 by 550, comma. So like this we can find more and more numbers. So to here minus, so we can write 249, 248, next up to dot 245, 244, minus 148 by 550, or we can write 249 by 550, comma, 250 by 550, comma, 251 by 550, dot 349. So this is the way we can find more and more. So here 100 rational numbers between 7 by 11 and minus 5 by 11. Again another way we find. So here look, 7 by 11 multiplied by 20. So here we get 140 by 220, here minus 5 by 11. So minus 100 by 220. So here we get 1 by 220, 2 by 220, dot 100 by 220. So here we get 100 numbers. Another way, check. Next, 7 by 11. So multiply by 50. 105, 165. Here minus 5 by 11. 15, 50, minus 75. Then 165. So here minus 74 by 165, minus 73 by 165, minus 72 by 165. So here minus 71 by 165, dot. So here we can write up to 25 by 165.